Listen to that. Watch the waves. Awesome.
Jack, can you stand up?
Beautiful day.
Yeah, can you use the
Using the camera. Yeah. So nice. Huh, Jack? Yeah? Nice day? Nice day, good boy? Yeah. What you find, Jack?
6 months.
You got a shovel?
Finally got a little bit of a race.
You got a shovel?
The nipples are off the ground. And
Yeah, look at that sand. What is that?
what she's saying.
Yeah, it's like one big sandbox here at the beach, isn't it? Yeah.
Okay.
One big sandbox here at the beach. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's right. That's how you can scoop up that sand. Yeah. Oh, fun. It's a nice day here. Let's take a little shot around the beach. So you can see there's Dada. There's the beautiful water. Alright. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Jack. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye, Jack. Can you wave bye-bye? Not today. Alright, keep playing. See you later.